Man, I can't see nothing, man. If it wasn't for these landing guides. 500 feet to the ground. Still can't see nothing. Alright. Getting closer. Is that the runway? I don't know. Oh, okay, now I see it. It showed up last minute. Alright. Let's actually try to take off in this weather. That'll be crazy. See if we can take off, turn around and take off. But it's a blizzard, man. What in the world? I can't even see where the runway ends. Alright, here we go. Did it just get darker? What in the world? 3, 2, 1. Straight ahead. Yeah, it just got worse. The weather just got worse. Man, what in the world? Alright, let's see if we can take off right now. Takeoff speed is 140. Alright, gear up.
Philadelphia Tower, United States Air Force 112 train is 1 mile east, 300 feet with Charlie to land.
Man, this weather is terrible.